वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल एंड आज का वीडियो काफी स्पेशल है बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग काउंटडाउन टू 100K on YouTube.
So finally, the dream is coming true. And this is how the journey started. 50K on Instagram, and Instagram doesn't give any awards, silver button or golden button, anything. So I was her cheerleader. ऐसे कुछ बना था something like 50K, and then this is for the 100K. And now we have reached a point where we can get something from the YouTube. So very excited for it. I don't have to be the cheerleader.
But he's still my cheerleader. And this gestures are very sweet. इसको ना editing and all में इतना कुछ नहीं था, but he still would edit these things. I don't know if you can see, but this is what he has done for me. तो जब मैं Instagram पे 50K हो गई थी, तभी he did this for me. And then last year when I became 100K,
improvement देखो improvement 50K कैसे
and you know subscribers है, तो मैंने उसको बोला कि Instagram पे subscribers नहीं होते, but then next time he did for followers, but and then we also
इसमें
framed
followers
it.
भी नहीं होगा, इसमें admirers है.
Improvement I see. कितना हुआ? 94. Okay, there's a lot of excitement and honestly we are very grateful to y'all because this journey that we have done, as you all can see, is literally 90 days and he one day told me ki
it was June, I think. That is where we started actively working on YouTube.
Okay, on that note, I might have a news to share. So that was the time when I resigned from my Goldman Sachs job, and the reason I resigned was not for Instagram or YouTube, but the reasons were different. One of which is I wanted to shift to marketing or social media domain from finance. I was doing finance for 4 years in Goldman Sachs. And touch wood, after that I needed break because Goldman Sachs was very hectic. So Tejas here was my biggest supporter. He supported me to leave the job because leaving Goldman Sachs is a big decision and it's not easy to let go. But he supported me a lot and he said take a break, you deserve the break. And हमें पता है कि you guys might have figured out कि Instagram से कि if I'm working or not working. There were so many questions.
Comments में तो आते थे this girl is not working, she is not working.
ये job पे जाती है कि नहीं
जाके
जाती
delete करके आते थे.
Yeah, so I was waiting for the right moment कि सबको पता है because it is a big milestone.
It's a very personal thing and when to share, and she.
वैसे LinkedIn पे पता चल जाता है because I ended my job on LinkedIn, but I did not jump into another job like I was thinking of, but then.
हो गया.
Hey. But yeah, that is the big news. And touchwood, after I resigned from my job, I took a small break and इसने मुझे बोला कि YouTube start कर, YouTube start कर and YouTube पे थोड़ा बहुत see if you can if you like it. तो merely June में I started posting on YouTube. You can see the graph also यहाँ पे. And June, July, August, September, October, and here we are, start of November, reaching 100K. Okay, it's been a nice journey. इसने मुझे बोला था कि I want a silver button. Of course, monetization. None of our platforms have been started for monetization. ना हमने Instagram monetization के लिए start किया था, ना YouTube. इसने मुझे बोला था कि वो silver button चाहिए मुझको. And that's it. I guess some months later we are going to receive it. How are you feeling, sir?
No words. I think this happened जून से लेके अभी तक 90 days में अगर हुआ, maybe this is just what I am thinking. It's because you did not do it for yourself and you did it for me because I asked, I wanted. उसको कुछ चाहिए तो दिलाना चाहिए. That's her motive. So even if I say something that I like it, something like this, right? I just said वो अच्छा लगता है उस पे, चलो ठीक है मैं दिलाता हूँ. So that is how
इसको
she
खुश
is.
नहीं करेंगे तो किसको खुश करेंगे? And as I said, right, कि मुझे नहीं, I really don't think I would have done this without him because it's not easy to just focus on social media and take it to a point unless there is a youth support. Some people have a lot of family support. That's why my families, both sides of family were supportive too. But Tejas is and was always my biggest cheerleader. So yeah, खूप जास्त आनंद होत आहे. आणि you want to say something in Kannada because आमचं page is mix of Marathi and Kannada. So
ತುಂಬ ತುಂಬ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪೇಜ್ ವೆರಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್.
And then जेव्हा आम्हाला लोक येऊन भेटतात, especially when I was working also, many people would come and say, oh, you're from Smiles and Postcards. People met Tejas also in his office, outside, in society, anywhere we go. That
Andaman we met Kannada people, right? They identified us. ಮೈಸೂರು ಅವರ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋದ, ಮುಂದೆ ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೋಬೋದ. The conversation went very well and they identified us. It's so special for us at that point as well. Yeah.
Also, YouTube I think has grown very nicely because of our Instagram fam. People there are so supportive, and I'm sure that many of you all from Instagram would have subscribed us here. Friends, family, the friends that we have met online on Instagram. So thank you to each one of you all. And 5 more to go, but this is our short journey.
Yes.
आता काय करायचंय?
नाचायचं.
95. पण तू कभी आएगा?
In our words, Dunkladu.
Also, I think we owe a lot of this, I wouldn't say success, but these milestones have completed after we have shifted to Hyderabad. However, I personally shifted for my Goldman Sachs role in Hyderabad. Like for my role this year was my vice president here, and I did not even think I would quit. But the work was very hectic and all. It was taking a toll on my health, so I thought I can take a break. But Hyderabad, the audience, the love that we have received is so immense. When we came to Hyderabad, YouTube was not there. We were not active on YouTube, and Instagram was also around 160k. Suddenly, I don't know, it's maybe the city, we reached 370k on
380, nearly 379 it is.
380k on Instagram and now 100k on YouTube. So yeah, as much as we owe it to all our followers, Hyderabad has played really an important role in this.
Yes, of course.
This home, I don't know, everything has just come together, and it's very, like, we're very, very grateful for it.
Thank you, Hyderabad.
Yeah, thank you, Hyderabad, and of course, our Maharashtra and Karnataka is always there, and from all other states, people follow. When I do this weekly Thursday, ask me anything questionnaires on Instagram, so many people from different parts of India message. Love from Gujarat, love from Odisha, love from so many
Indonesia cities. As well. I mean, it's not just
Canada,
India.
Indonesia, like different countries also. So we are very grateful. आता काय? आता थांबतोय आम्ही, हे कधी होते बघायला.
So while we are waiting, maybe you can share some tips or any budding Instagram or YouTube content creators. Give tips how to start. I know it's easier journey compared to somebody starting afresh in social media versus somebody who already has a social media page like Instagram.
आज प्रॉपर काम.
So बताओ, let's continue. दो है.
हाँ.
बताओ how did you start or what should, given the current space, अगर किसी को similar space में start करना है, so how should they start thinking about either Instagram or YouTube, maybe specifically YouTube?
So I think if you're like freshly starting off, you just have your page and बस अभी 0 followers, let's think. So the basic thing is start putting videos, and you don't have to figure out कि मैं क्या वीडियो डालूँ. Just put whatever you're comfortable. If you're comfortable with, तुम्हें खाना पसंद है तो खाने के videos डालो. अगर तुम्हें you have a like you are a couple, and if both the people are comfortable with showing their face, then you can also put sweet moments or
199.
Okay, ये हम नहीं करेंगे, हम बाद में करेंगे. But the main thing is start करना is very very important, because मैंने YouTube बहुत टाइम तक स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया था, एंड आई ओनली स्टार्टेड आफ्टर यू नो आई लेफ्ट माई जॉब. उसके बाद भी 1 महीने बाद आई वॉज जस्ट नॉट फीलिंग कि वी आर नॉट लाइक व्लॉग पीपल, कि लोग बहुत अच्छे से व्लॉग करते हैं, हमसे नहीं हो पाता है. आई एम मोर ऑफ अ रील पर्सन. बट द डे आई स्टार्टेड, हियर आई एम. सो it's your example. Start
and be consistent. Do it.
Yes.
Views I and
You know,
I.
Neha posts every day
One or
without
even
fail.
2.
So consistency is the key. अब वो ऐसे नहीं करने वाले हो क्या सिर्फ?
ये पकड़ो आप.
Okay.
Hopefully it works.
Guys, 1 to go.
3.
Thank you universe so
2.
much for everything.
3.
Thank you Pooja so much for everything.
3. 2. 1. Come on.
Okay guys, this moment. Did you manifest this moment? I surely did. ठुमक ठुमक झांदी है मैं ये देनार. Come on, update.
हो गया. अरे come on.
ये कभी नहीं होता है. ये टाइम पे नहीं होगा कभी. Okay.
Yay!
Yay! 100K. One
तो फिर
spot.
से check कर.
Okay. Yeah, beटा, congratulations.
One more.
One more to make it official. नुसतं कचरा केला होता पूर्ण.
लगा आपको कुछ?
नहीं. Congratulations, बेटा, 100K हो गए.
Congratulations
And celebrations. ये लेंगे तेरा, ये मेरा.
ये तेरा.
Correct है?
Oh.
Okay. Thank you so much all for 100K.
Thank you.
आता हा पसारा आवडतो. बाय.